In today's video, I'll show you how to open and replace the remote battery for the wireless Bluetooth selfie stick. There's a battery which is inside. Use a flathead and there's a little gap as you can see right here. So need to just insert the screwdriver here and twist it. And top and bottom covers will come separate. And then here's the battery. You can just remove it from here. It's a CR1632. Replacing it is very easy. Putting cover back. Make sure to align notches here and here. You got to place it on the top and make sure it's lined with the base, and by pressing you can hear the pop. You can test if it is working by pressing and holding the button, and you can see the blue light blinking. With all that guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like my video. Have a nice and a lovely day. Bye bye.